Welcome to Graceland Online Tutorial. Our topic today is simplifying calculations, applying factorization method. Simplifying calculations, applying factorization method. Let's look at the first question. Use factorization to simplify let me take that again. Use factorization to simplify 24 times 119 minus 24 times 19. How do we solve this? Now, solution. This is very simple. 24 times 119 minus 24 times 19. Now, instead of multiplying 24 by 119 and then 24 times 19, you now subtract the result. We can easily apply factorization, which will make the work easier. Now, from the question, we'll discover that 24 is a common factor. It's common to both 119 and also 19. We have 24 times 119, then 24 times 19. 24 is a common factor, so 24 will be outside as a factor. Open a bracket. 24 in 24 times 119, meaning 24 times 119 over 24. 24 will cancel 24. We are left with 119 minus 24 in 24 times 19, meaning 24 times 19. Now, what happens? 24 cancels 24, and then we are left with 19. So, this is equal to 24 into 119 minus 19. Now, 119 minus 19 in the bracket will be 100. So, this is going to be 24 times 100. Don't forget, the bracket means times. 24 times 100. 24 times 100 is equal to 2,400. 2,400 is as easy as that. Now, let's quickly take the second one. Evaluate without using mathematical tables or calculator. 17.57 squared minus 12.43 squared. Now, solution. I want you to know something. This is difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Now, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now, which means a squared can be 17.57 squared. And b squared can also be 12.43 squared. Now we apply this rule. Now 17.57 squared minus 12.43 squared will now be equal to 17.57 plus 12.43 into 17.57 minus 12.43. Now we had 17.57 and 12.43. We add them together, and that will give us 30. Now, 17.57 minus 12.43 will give us 5.14. Now, the answer to the first bracket is 30, and the answer to the second bracket is 5.14. Now, you multiply the two, since the bracket here means times. Now, 30 times 5.14 will be equal to 154.2. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Graceland Tutorial. Like the video and share the video. Success is yours.